I lost 180 pounds. Let's start living life. This is life after weight loss. I'll see if I can remember to not delete this. This is our upstairs. There's Lou's bed, and there's a chest that was back in that little room back there. Get him, girl. Get him, girl. Get him, girl. Get her, Sam. And here's my the little small bathroom. And then I have the bed up here in case one of the nephews or nieces ever stayed. But they like coming up here because they have carpet and they can, oh my goodness, hi girl. Oh my goodness. They love it because that carpet gives them good traction. Get him, girl. Get him, girl. Eat his face off. Oh, get her, Sam. Get her, Sam. Anyway, so yeah, I like it because there's like a built-in shelf. I got britches on. Built-in shelf and built-in shelves. And I had, when I had my windows replaced, I got a new window unit air conditioner. So it's plugged in, but it doesn't run. But I was telling you, that vent up there, that's what kind of keeps it from. Where'd he go? Carly. Oh, there he is. Boy, what you smelling? Don't you wee-wee nowhere. Let me see. What are you two smelling? Did somebody wee-wee? Nope. Okay, it's dry, guys. Might have been from Brother Lou. He come up here with us a couple times, and he copped a squat. Not hard. I caught him in time, but... So it's like they have these pieces up here. But look at this. Look how beautiful the hardwood is under here. Now I think that might be a tape. I don't know. I can't tell. But, like double-sided tape, I would imagine. Hey, I can't move it with your butt on it, boy. Boy. All right. Well, we're going to wrestle a little more. I'll see you later. Good morning. I haven't even started heating up my water yet. Got our... Why does it seem so close? I'm not zoomed in. Anyway, all right. So I have my frozen gelatin that I take every day. And this is my new cup. It's got the ground beef or burger thing on top. And then I think it's the infusion, whatever it is. And then my Zevia. So talk about easy meal prep. If you are wanting a fast way to meal prep, couldn't cook up some burger patties or cook up some ground beef, put it in this container, let it cool down, and add you in some frozen burger or frozen veggies. Then you can throw them back in the freezer and pull them out in rotation. But hot dog, that is good to go. I forgot, I also have this little thing of tomatoes I'm taking also. So yeah, so tomatoes. Good morning. How are you doing? It's Wednesday today. I'm getting my trash together and walked around to grab my trash, and I looked out and nobody had their trash out. I'm like, knucklehead. Today's Wednesday, not Thursday. Oh, well, what do you do? Anyway, I just tried to pull this in, curl this in a little bit, but it didn't stay. But that's all right. I'm not too worried. It's that time of year. We have bad weather, or not bad weather, but hot weather, so it ain't like, oh, I am so glad that these sunglasses are... I'm always breaking the little thingies off. Anyway, I hope y'all have a good day. Today's my win. Oh, it's your Friday. Oh, happy Friday, peoples. Yeah, and I didn't delete the previous stuff of us chit-chatting about whatever we chit-chatted about. So, go Terri. Go Terri. See you later. Bye. Feels so good out here. It's colder than kraut inside, but it feels good out here. I got my arm warmers on. Oh, y'all. I'm excited this new lunch thing worked. So, last night, if you saw, last night, I took some frozen veggies And I put them some in this container and another container. I didn't want to just get too far ahead. And so my ground beef made 3 servings. So I put 2 in this kind of container because I had one that I was going to eat last night that was already old. And then that one I put just in the one that I kept. So tonight it's already just in a square container because tonight I'll have it with the salad. So this, I am telling you, y'all, if you are doing low carb or meat and veggies, we ain't got no excuses, y'all. We ain't got no excuses. None. No excuses, I'm telling you. Because you can go out and buy you a bag of frozen veggies. Whatever kind you like. You can buy the California blend. You can buy just broccoli. You can buy cauliflower, broccoli, whatever. It don't matter what kind you get. And you can put them in the bottom of a container for your future self. And put some ground beef on it. Or chicken. Or pork. Or whatever your little heart desires. And then heat it up later. I'm telling you, we ain't got no excuses, y'all. We really don't. We have no excuses. One thing I wish I would have remembered was a big spoon, so I could shovel better. Now, know this. I'm holding off on my tomatoes because the time is 10:44. Y'all remember whenever there used to be a phone number you'd call it for time and temperature? Anybody old enough to remember that? It's so funny. We didn't have access to stuff. Now, why we wanted to know that? Well, I think sometimes if we were resetting, like if the power went out, maybe. I mean, that's pretty lazy to call and ask a phone when there's a clock on the wall. Or ask the time. But there's probably more about the temperature. Anyway, yeah, that's funny to think about that. I don't know why I thought about that. Where was I going with that? Anyway, but yeah, that's funny. That's fun to think about that. Today, strawberry and lemon burst again. Y'all, do you know we can do hard things in life? I saw a little meme today on Facebook and I shared it. And it said, the rain, it might be bad for the ice cream person, the ice cream seller's business, but it's good for the umbrella person's business. So sometimes weather isn't about you. It's for somebody else. Not everything is about you. Sometimes it's about somebody else. So just like sometimes when you go through hard things, it's not about you. I mean, it is about you, but it's also about what you can share with somebody else. You know, had I not had my weight issues, I wouldn't have my channel and I wouldn't know you amazing people. So, you know, sometimes what you go through, there's a purpose there's a purpose in the plan. Oh. So, and the plan may not even be about you at all, you know. But yeah, so we can do hard things. All right. I love you, wild things. I'm going to go inside and eat. I have some extra time, you know, because I come to work at 7, but I don't have to be here at 8. Thinking I might flex an hour and go get a manicure. It's been years since I've had a manicure. So I kind of want to go do it. We'll see. I don't know if I'll do it. If I do it, I'll tell you about it later. Bye. I remember what I was going to tell you. I've got these tomatoes and I'm going to eat them with my frozen gelatin later. Brrr. It's so nice and toasty in here. It's 4:30. I could just go like this and just take a nice little nap. Feels so good in my car. Anyway, I gotta get home, y'all. Update. I had I defiantly have been, trying to incorporate some of that 80-20, but leaving the rendered fat behind. That ain't working so good. So what I'm going to have to do is like crock pot it. Like crock pot 1 pound. No, not right now, but crock pot 1 pound. See how much approximately it all weighs and then divide it out. No, I could do it after. Anyway, and then I'm going to have to rinse it because there was enough rendered fat in the meat that I had today and yesterday that I woke up and went to the bathroom twice last night, and I've gone once at work, and I got to get home and go again. So, Lordy mercy, bye. Hey, so when you find something that's working for you, stick with it. You're going to find that sometimes, you're going to have some days where you're like maybe up a little bit or down, I don't know. Just you have days where your scale is moving the wrong direction. It is okay to do what you know works. I know for me that going carnivore really quiets all the thoughts. And so that was great. That's what I needed. But I also know that adding the veggies makes me happy, and I enjoy the way I'm eating, and I get to enjoy my food. And so yeah, and I know that's how I lost the weight and how I maintained the weight for 3 years. So if you know something's working and has worked, don't let the scale freak you out, Just go back to tracking and kind of tweak what you need to tweak. So I chewed my polish off today. So I've got some stuff out over here. Oh, you can't see it anyway. I got my nail stuff up there. So after I'm done eating, I think I'm just going to do a clear polish. So we have some 80-20. I'm kind of afraid to eat it because bathroom. But that's all right. I'm not too afraid. I'll be home. I think it's less than a third pound. But it was a third of the pound of ground beef that I cooked. What I might do this weekend is pull out a few pounds of that ground beef, the 80-20, and crock pot it. And then when it's done, rinse it off, because that's what I used to do. So that way I don't have that excess fat. So what we got right here? Again, this is what works, and this is what makes me feel my best. Is it the same thing? Yeah. But does it make my brain happy? Yeah. And does it help the scale move? Most of the time, yeah. And do I enjoy what I'm eating? Heck yeah. So my decision fatigue after coming home from work, I don't have to figure one more question, one more thing. I know a lot of people are like, they ask their spouse what they want to eat for supper, and I don't know, what do you want? I don't know, what do you want? So I don't have to have that decision fatigue after thinking and answering questions all day at work. I come home, I enjoy the salad. It's all, my veggies are cut up and ready to go. So yeah, there's going to be times in your weight loss journey where you're going to have to eat the same thing for several days. And that's okay. If it helps you reach your goals. Like I said, those bodybuilders I follow on the TikTok, they talk about, do I want to eat chicken breast and rice and vegetables every day? No. But is it going to get me to my goals? Yes. So right here, except I do want to eat this every day. So it is okay if you have to go a couple months and be a little bored with your food. It's all right. Tonight, the mixture of snickerdoodle and chocolate toffee. gonna be so good. Tastes like a cookie candy bar, something. Anyway, I'm gonna let y'all go. I got stuff to do. Bye.